Hi, so today I'm doing a tutorial on how to count the number of window panes on a two-story house using Google Earth. So the best way to actually get the count for window panes is to have the customers send us photos of the four sides of their house. But unfortunately, not everyone does that. So this is another method that we can use if the sides of the house are easily visible on Google Earth, which oftentimes they are. So we'll be doing this property here with the red and the blue car in front of the house. And the first thing I like to do is actually enter Street View because we can at least get a real image of the front of the house and count the windows clearly there. So let's start. So we'll start on the left here. This top window is actually not like a normal window. It's called like an eyebrow window, and it only has one pane of glass. It's not like a sliding window. So this counts as one, and then the one below it is another two. So one, two, three, another eyebrow window here, four, and then five, six. So now I got that clearly, and I'm going to exit Street View. Go back to this property, and you need to be in 3D mode to do this. So I got six for the front of the house. I can actually see that right over here. There's another window I couldn't see when I was in that view. So that's another window that we will assume to be a sliding window. So two panes of glass, so another two. So let's tally that at 8 for the front of the house. So now I'll go to the side. So 1, 2 over here, 3, 4, and above it you can see that eyebrow window, which is connected to this other window here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I have 8 plus 5. I have 13 windows. Now we'll go to the back. And to rotate, at least using a Mac, I know you press Option and then you use the left or right arrows. For Windows, I would assume it's something similar. Could be a different key like Alt. So, okay. So here's the back of the house. So here's 1, 2, this kind of skinny one up here, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7 for that eyebrow window above these two doors, which I presume to be glass doors. So we're gonna give those a count of 2. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then let's keep turning. All right. And then we have 10, 11, 12, 13. This one's kind of hard to see, but we can assume that's a sliding window. So that's going to be 2 panes of glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for that door over here, which we presume to be glass. So that's 18 total for the back of the house. So we have a count of 8 for the front, 5 for one of the sides, 18 for the back, and we'll finish off with the last side. So we have 1, 2 up here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is a count of 8 for the other side. So now we have 8 plus 5 plus 18 plus 8, which is equal to 39 panes of glass for this house. So sometimes there's gonna be houses where the sides are blocked by other houses or trees, or just you literally cannot see some of them physically. So in those cases, what you could do is search the address on like realtor websites, because sometimes they will have pictures of sides of the house or like the back of the house. We just want to get as much information as we can. So using Google Earth is the best way. Using Street View is a good way to get the front of the house. Using these realtor websites is a good way to possibly get some sides of the house as well. But yeah, so that's basically how you count the amount of panes of window panes on a two-story home.